to run, but I can't stop running because you're not running with me. Listen to me, hear me. You can't stop chasing your dream just because somebody in your life won't chase it with you. You can't stop believing in yourself just because somebody in your life won't believe in you. You can't stop chasing the dreams of your life just because when you know when you do it, you're going to have to do it all by yourself.
We are powbab. Sometimes dreams become a mission, and sometimes the mission is born out of adversity. Our beginnings were no different. The path of how we started powbab is a story of recovery and passion. Our mission is to make superfood products as real and natural as possible for better health, wellness, beauty, inside and out. Powbab philosophy and knowledge are reflected in our superfood products with a focus on the baobab fruit. Baobab is an African fruit that is packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, fiber, and electrolytes. Our current range of products include immune health, our baobab superfruit chews, and organic baobab powder. Joint health with our peanut turmeric supplement bites and tart cherry supplement bites to help overworked joints and sore muscles. And beauty with our 100% baobab oil for pure skincare and hair, plus exciting new plans for more functional health products and beauty products to come. How is powbab a story of recovery and passion? Here's our story. Hi, my name is Tina Chan, founder and CEO of powbab. Many years ago, I suffered from a personal injury to my legs from a freak accident while walking, which led me to crutches and being in a wheelchair for a while. The situation worsened after our doctor gave me pharmaceutical medicine and shots, resulting in major side effects such as memory loss, which took 9 months to get over. Not knowing if I would walk normal again, or if chronic pain would go away, I was depressed and hopeless. My active lifestyle of work with ballet and triathlons on the side were gone. Willing to try anything, I started to change my diet entirely during that time. I learned to eat to heal. After 1.5 years of recovery and 3 years of therapy, I can walk and stand today. I believe it was a miracle that God gave me healing, and I thank Him. Now I take my experience and share it with you, which is embodied in our products and company. Our immune products conveniently boost when busy or during the cold season. Our joint products support an active lifestyle or for strenuous exercise. Beauty for every day. Join us on our mission for natural and real superfood products. Make a difference and share the good and healthy with those around you. We are all on this journey of life together. Share with us your story. Follow and visit us at powbab.com.